Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a Kubernetes cluster inside a Vultr. If you don't have a Vultr account created yet, I highly recommend you using this link to create a new account. And by return, you will have 300 USD for free. That's really awesome. I will copy and paste this link under the comment and you can find it easily. So first of all, you need to have virtual account. And after login, you can choose the Kubernetes option on the left panel. And you should be able to see the already existing Kubernetes cluster. So in my example, I have a cluster called the VKE cluster. So we're gonna create a one from scratch. Here, we choose the Add Cluster button on the top right corner. Okay, we will be navigate to the creating page. First, we need to give this cluster a name. Let's say test 1. And the second, we need to choose the Kubernetes version. So by default, it will helping you choose the latest version. You have three options actually. So let's using the default one. We have the high availability and the firewall option to choose. If you are going to create a dev and a test environment, I would suggest you leave this option alone because we don't want to spend extra money. And next, we should pick up the cluster location. You should choose the location nearby your geologic location. So in my case, I will choose Japan. Okay, scroll down, and we have in the cluster capacity configuration, you can see that by default we have 3 nodes, and the monthly cost is 135 USD dollar. If you just want a dev or test environment and you don't want to spend such money, you can decrease the number of nodes. Let's say we decrease to 1. So we will just have one node in our cluster, and correspondingly, the cost down to the 45 USD dollar. But you can also see there is a warning said you may have a downtime if you just have one node. But it's okay because this is fine in dev or test environment, and we should give the node a label, and this is required. So let's say we call it node 1, and next we can pick up different node port type, and the different node port type will also lead to different cost. By default, the optimized cloud is the option, but you can change it to regular cloud compute, and you will see that the cost down to 10 USD dollar per month, or 0.01 per hour. That's a really cost effective option. So we will go with this option. And here is the summary of your plan. This is fine because it's good enough, for dev and test. All right, so if we confirm that everything is good, we can click the blue button, deploy now, and we will be navigate to the creating page. You see the schedules is installing, and the whole process take around 5 minutes. So I don't want to waste the time waiting for the creation. We can just check the previous one I created. So let's click this one, click the second one actually, and you can see the configuration in this overall type. You see that we have one CPU, 2 GB megabyte RAM, and the current charges for now. So it's really cost effective. And this button, download the configuration, you can download your cluster configuration. So if you wanna connect to your cluster through some third-party software, you can using the configuration provided here. So I think that's it. That's the whole process of how you can create a Kubernetes cluster inside the Vultr. You see, it's very simple and very cost effective. I'm highly recommend you create one for dev, test, or even production. Thank you for watching.